New York is one of the best themed hotel and casinos on the Las Vegas Strip and among the best value too. But should you stay here? Let us give you a tour of the hotel, including our room, the casino, and pool, plus some other key bits of info you need to know. Let's start with its location, with New York sitting in a pretty good spot on the Strip. It's on the south side, with Park MGM next door to the north and MGM Grand right across the road, which is directly connected via a walkway. To the south, Excalibur is also connected by a walkway over the road, where you can either enter the casino or take the free tram down to the Luxor and Mandalay Bay. New York has a very good location with a number of great properties within walking distance, so we would say it's a big selling point of the hotel. New York is not one of the biggest hotels on the Strip, but there's still plenty on offer, highlighted by the large casino on the ground floor that has a huge amount of slots and table games along with a fairly small sports book. The standout has to be the super cool New York-themed indoor area that makes you feel like you're in the city. There's plenty of eateries, bars, and shops, including the popular Nine Fine Irishman restaurant, Gonzales A. Gonzales Mexican that has some great value happy hour deals, and Tom's Watch Bar, which has a large outdoor seating area. There's much more, including Coyote Ugly plus a food court on the upper floor. Now to our room, which we luckily received an upgrade to. This room is a Stay Well Marquis Suite, coming in at a whopping 700 square feet. It was a lovely surprise as we only booked the cheapest Soho King option, with the Marquis Suite featuring a giant jacuzzi bathtub in the room, as well as this huge seating area that had incredible views of the roller coaster, airport, and MGM Grand across the Strip. The room was obviously very spacious and came with everything we needed, including a safe and lots of storage and hanging space in this decent-sized wardrobe. We also got an iron and ironing board plus a mini fridge, which is sadly somewhat of a luxury on the Las Vegas Strip these days. The 40-inch flat-screen TV is a good size, and overall all the furniture was modern and stylish. The room felt clean and fresh, and the bed was extremely comfortable. We appreciated the amount of plugs on the bedside tables and loved the lamps. The room felt huge, but it did feel like there was quite a lot of empty space. There was also no minibar, which we thought was a bit odd, but we certainly weren't complaining as we know how overpriced Vegas hotel minibars can be. The bathroom was compact and had everything we needed, but didn't perhaps feel as luxury as we'd expect for an upgraded suite like this. We also stayed in the Luxor, Mandalay Bay, and MGM Grand on this trip, and would say that New York's bathroom was probably the least impressive. Still, the shower was good and it came with shower gel and shampoo as well as clean towels, so there was everything we needed. We did have a 4-person jacuzzi bathtub in the room and an amazing view, so we definitely are not complaining. But we would just imagine there are better options on the Strip if you're spending the kind of money this suite would cost. Let's move on to the pool area at New York. If you're looking for multiple pools, lazy rivers, and day clubs to spend all day in and out of the water, then this property is not for you as there is just one pool at New York. It is a good size though and has plenty of beds, as well as a pool bar and some great views of the roller coaster. It's perfectly fine, and we actually liked the atmosphere, but it is not on the level of other Vegas pools. So if the pool area is a big deal for you, then you may wish to look elsewhere. Overall, we really enjoyed our stay at New York. The selling point of the hotel has to be its location, with so many great properties within walking distance, while the theming throughout is first class. The casino is very good, and there are plenty of restaurants and bars that offer great value for money. We feel that the pool area lets it down and think there are probably nicer rooms at similar prices on the Strip. If you prioritize location and are looking for a fun hotel that is good value, then you can't really go wrong with New York. Have you stayed here or are planning a trip? Let us know in the comments section, and please leave this video a like if you found it useful. Subscribe to the channel for more, and do check us out on social media for more travel videos and hotel reviews. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.